were called in to repair what appeared to be a simple crack in a granite countertop. But once we arrived and inspected the area, we quickly realized this was much more than an ordinary crack. Upon closer examination, we discovered not only a visible crack on the surface, but also a slight movement of a loose piece of granite trapped between the damaged areas. This was a clear indication that there was internal pressure and damage developing from within the stone. After a detailed inspection, we identified the true cause of the problem: a piece of metal embedded inside the granite. Over time, water and moisture had slowly penetrated the stone and reached the iron. This caused the iron to begin rusting and expanding from within. As the rust continued to grow, it created pressure inside the granite, forcing the stone apart and eventually causing the crack and movement we discovered. We explained the situation to the client and presented several repair options based on the condition of the stone. After reviewing the possibilities, the client decided to move forward with the most cost-effective solution for the current situation. This type of repair requires experience, patience, and a deep understanding of natural stone. We carefully removed the loose section of granite, taking every precaution to avoid causing any additional damage to the surrounding area. Once the piece was removed, we thoroughly cleaned the inside of the granite as much as possible. We removed the deteriorated material and loose rust particles that were responsible for weakening the stone and creating the damage. The next step was treating the exposed metal with a specialized product designed to help prevent further corrosion and reduce the risk of future damage. This is a critical part of the process because simply repairing the crack without addressing the source of the problem can allow the damage to return over time. After the internal repair was completed, we carefully reinstalled the stone, securely bonded it back into position, and matched the color as closely as possible to blend naturally with the surrounding granite. To complete the restoration process, we made sure the repaired area was properly sealed and protected. We apply a professional stone sealer to help prevent water penetration and provide additional protection for the granite against future moisture-related issues. A full polishing process was recommended to restore the surface to a flawless finish, but at the client's request, this final step was postponed. This project is a perfect example of why granite repair is not just about filling a crack. A successful restoration requires understanding what caused the failure, treating the source of the problem, using the correct materials, and applying the right techniques to ensure a long-lasting repair. This is the difference between a basic repair and a professional stone restoration, where years of experience, attention to detail, and craftsmanship come together to bring damaged stone back to life.